Hello, this is Ashley from Octoparse. Today I'm going to talk about AJAX. What is it? What does it mean? And how to tell whether a website applies AJAX. What is AJAX? AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It means a set of web development techniques that allows a web page to update a portion of the content without having to refresh the page. To better understand what AJAX is, let's take a look at Twitter. Twitter uploads the tweets by refreshing part of the web page. When you scroll down to get more tweets, you will notice just the menu bar is refreshed, and the rest of the web page remains still. That's because Twitter uses the AJAX technique. You're able to see the message immediately by only refreshing part of the page, so it saves you the time from refreshing the whole web page whenever a new message comes in. How can you tell the web page applies AJAX? There are many ways you can tell if the website uses AJAX. The easiest way is to check the browser tab. When you update a web page, if there is a loading sign appears, it means the web page you're browsing applies AJAX technique. Thanks for watching. Please leave us a comment down below if you have any questions.